Hey, I live here. My name is Ibrahim, and I love here because this is my city. Maybe you think what I'm doing on the stage, because I don't know either. I want to tell you something about my world, about my journey, because I've been studying something. I've been doing something that is interesting for some people, like Abdullahi or some others that are here. I'll prepare for something that really I'm passionate about. The most important lesson that I've learned in these years is time. Time is really important. When someone asks, what's the biggest mistake we make in life, the Buddha replied, the biggest mistake is you think you have time. Time is free, but it's priceless. You can own it, but you can use it. You can keep it, but you can spend it. And once it's lost, you can never get it back. Pay attention to this time. It's really important. That makes your future. You should know the value of these things.